Hey, fitness fam, welcome back to the Comfort Vlogs. You guys are crushing it, hitting the gym with that Hemsworth level dedication. But let me ask you this, are you fueling those gains with the right kind of nutrition? Today I'm giving you the inside scoop on the 5 best foods that are gonna help you pack on lean muscle like a pro. Stick around till the end for a bonus tip that could be the game changer you've been missing. First up, we've got a breakfast staple, a gym bag essential eggs. These little powerhouses are crammed with high-quality protein and essential amino acids. And we all know amino acids are the building blocks of muscle, right? But hold on, there's a secret weapon hiding inside that eggshell, the yolk. That golden goodness is packed with healthy fats and vitamins crucial for muscle growth. We're talking vitamin D for bone strength, vitamin B12 for energy production. It's like a multivitamin designed for muscle building. And the best part about eggs, they're incredibly versatile. You can scramble them, fry them, poach them, turn them into omelets with mountains of veggies. The possibilities are endless. So, if you're serious about building muscle, make sure you're incorporating eggs into your diet. Trust me, your muscles will thank you for it. Alright, moving on to a classic chicken breast. This lean protein powerhouse is a go-to for good reason. It's packed with protein, low in fat, and incredibly versatile. Chicken breast is your best friend when it comes to hitting your daily protein goals without overloading on calories. Spice it up with some Cajun seasoning, grill it with a squeeze of lemon, or toss it in a stir-fry with your favorite veggies. My personal go-to is grilled chicken breast with a side of quinoa and steamed broccoli. It's a perfect balance of protein, carbs, and healthy fats. Remember guys, building muscle isn't just about lifting heavy weights, it's about providing your body with the right nutrients to recover and rebuild. And chicken breast is your trusty sidekick in this journey. Let's talk about recovery, folks. You're pushing your body to the limit in the gym, breaking down those muscle fibers, and now it's time to give them the fuel they need to rebuild stronger. That's where Greek yogurt steps in, the unsung hero of the recovery process. This creamy goodness is loaded with a powerful combination of whey and casein protein. Whey protein is like the fast-acting energy boost your muscles need right after a workout, while casein protein is the slow-burning fuel that keeps them fed and recovering throughout the night. Greek yogurt is also an excellent source of calcium, which is crucial for maintaining strong bones, strong foundation, even stronger gains. So ditch the sugary, processed snacks and reach for a bowl of Greek yogurt instead. Top it with some berries and a drizzle of honey for a delicious and nutritious post-workout treat. Your muscles will thank you for it. Alright, let's talk about a true champion of the sea salmon. This incredible fish isn't just delicious, it's loaded with muscle-building nutrients, especially those omega-3 fatty acids. We're talking about the good kind of fat, the kind that fights inflammation, boosts your brain power, and helps those muscles recover faster. Salmon is like the secret weapon of the fitness world. It's packed with protein, just like the other contenders on our list, but it's those omega-3s that really set it apart. Omega-3 fatty acids are like the anti-inflammatory superheroes of your body. They swoop in after those grueling workouts and reduce the inflammation that can lead to muscle soreness and slow down your progress. Less inflammation means faster recovery, and faster recovery means back to the gym sooner and hitting those PRs like a boss. Aim for at least 2 servings a week to reap the full benefits. Grill it, bake it, pan fry it, the possibilities are endless. Just make sure you're choosing wild-caught salmon whenever possible for the most nutritional bang for your buck. Now, for all my plant-based friends out there, I haven't forgotten about you. Building muscle on a vegetarian or vegan diet might seem like a challenge, but trust me, it's totally doable with the right fuel. And that's where quinoa comes in, the ultimate plant-based protein source. This ancient grain is a complete protein, meaning it contains all 9 essential amino acids that our bodies need but can't produce on their own. It's like the holy grail of plant-based protein, folks. And let's not forget about its impressive fiber content, which keeps you feeling full and satisfied, preventing those mid-workout energy crashes. You can use it as a base for your breakfast bowls, add it to your salads for extra protein and texture, or even use it as a substitute for rice or couscous in your favorite recipes. So embrace the power of plants and make quinoa your new best friend in the kitchen. That's it, folks. 5 incredible foods that are gonna take your muscle building game to the next level. Remember, building a strong and healthy body starts from the inside out. So, fuel your gains with these nutritional powerhouses, and watch those muscles grow. If you found this helpful, make sure to give it a big thumbs up, and hit that subscribe button so you never miss an upload from the Comfort Vlogs. And don't forget to share this video with your gym buddies. Let's spread the gains together. Now I want to hear from you. Which of these foods is already a staple in your diet? Let me know in the comments below. And for more fitness tips, nutrition advice, and workout routines, hit that bell icon and get ready to level up your fitness journey with the